Let me show you the menu. Open, on. Then you can also turn it on over here. And off. Pretty simple. Up in the top, control it here, this way. And in the bottom, it's the other way, as you can see. Have a widescreen on the GoPro, the traction control, average fuel consumption, kilometers per liter, liter per 100 kilometers, average speed, air temperature, and battery. And then down it's trip timer, oil tripper, V-belt trip, and kilometers total. That's pretty much it. Pretty simple.